Welcome to Simple Solutions. In today's video, we'll explore 5 intriguing side hustles that make the most of your unique voice. Whether you're looking to embark on a creative journey or diversify your income streams, these opportunities might just be the perfect fit for you. I will leave the links to the websites discussed in the description below. Our first side hustle is voice acting. It's a profession that requires a wide range of vocal skills, from animated characters to commercial narrations. You can find online courses on platforms like Voice Bunny or Udemy to kickstart your journey, and to start landing gigs, consider creating a profile on websites like voices.com or Upwork, where businesses and producers often look for talented voice actors. Next up, we have podcasting. It's a fantastic way to share your thoughts and connect with an audience. If you're new to podcasting, check out Podcast Insights for valuable tips and guidance. To launch your own podcast, platforms like Anchor or Libsyn are user-friendly and offer hosting services to get you started. If you have a captivating voice and enjoy reading, audiobook narration might be your calling. ACX University offers comprehensive courses to enhance your narration skills, and once you're ready, you can audition for narration opportunities on ACX, a platform that connects narrators with authors and publishers. Our fourth option is becoming a voice assistant developer. Learn how to develop voice applications for platforms like Amazon, Alexa, Google Assistant through their developer portals. Start building voice apps on Amazon Alexa and make some extra cash today. Finally, for those with a passion for teaching, voice coaching is an enriching side hustle. The Voice Coach Academy provides training to help you become an effective coach. To kickstart your coaching career, consider creating a profile on platforms like Coach.me or LinkedIn, where you can connect with potential clients. There you have it, 5 diverse side hustles that harness the power of your voice. Whichever path you choose, remember that success comes with practice, dedication, and continuous improvement. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more informative content. And as always, feel free to share your thoughts and questions in the comment section below.